Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security settings. Let's tap on them. And here let's enter install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example the Chrome, simply tap on the switcher and from now on this app is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the specific switcher or simply tapping on denial. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.